A few years ago, a woman sent me a message, and I get these kinds of messages all the time. She was like, Posh, I don't recognize myself anymore. I don't recognize my skin anymore. I'm feeling like I'm losing myself. I don't feel confident. She wasn't talking about wrinkles, so she wasn't talking about sagging skin either. She was talking about her confidence. She said every time she looked in the mirror, she saw dullness. She saw dark patches under her eyes. She saw a skin or a face that was tired. She felt like she was disappearing. What made me sad was that I know she wasn't alone. There are so many people out there who feel the same way. Over the years, I have spoken to countless Black women across Nigeria, Canada, the US, the UK, Europe, everywhere around the world. Women in their 30s, 40s, 50s. A lot of these women were given or have been given anti-aging advice, or they've gone through anti-aging consultations that are not tailored for them. Today, we're going to talk about why Black women need a different anti-aging strategy than every other race. If you're struggling with pigmentation, dullness, lack of glow, loss of confidence, or you simply feel like your skin is not reflecting the vibrant, confident woman that you believe you are, then this video may change the way you think about aging. Hey Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back to the channel. If you're just seeing this channel for the first time, hi, welcome to the channel. My name is Sele Kalio and I am a Nigerian-based beauty influencer. I create skincare videos that are backed up by science, helping you understand your skin, your skincare ingredients, skincare products, and everything that has to do with your glow. So if this is something that you're interested in, please join the family. If you're a returning subscriber, hey best friend, welcome back to the channel. There's a fly. Thank you so much for stopping by. Now, today, we're talking about aging, but we're talking about aging in a different way. We're talking about aging in Black skin, Black women, Black people. So if you fall under this category, make sure you watch this video till the end. Let's talk about the biggest myth when it comes to aging. Most people think that aging begins with wrinkles. Like when you say aging, the first thing that comes to your mind is wrinkled, like an old person. That's actually wrong. For Black women or Black people, aging actually starts differently. We usually have more melanin, more natural protection from UV damage, which means many of us develop wrinkles much later than the lighter skin tone. But here's the catch. We are more prone to hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, post-inflammatory pigmentation, chronic dullness, barrier dysfunction, inflammation-induced aging. What this means is you can technically have fewer wrinkles, but you still look older. This is because your skin has lost brightness, uniformity, elasticity, and its vitality. This is the conversation that nobody is talking about. And I learned this the hard way. Now, let me tell you my story. There was a season in my life when stress was overwhelming. You guys know that I juggle parenting, business, building a home, and all of that. And I basically do this all by myself. If you've been following me for a while, you already know that, I'm a single parent. So trying to juggle all of this and still try to show up on here was actually draining me. And gradually, my skin began to reflect what exactly was happening to me. My glow started fading, pigmentations began to increase, especially under my eyes. I started breaking out even more, and my breakouts were leaving dark spots that were making me look even older. And for a long time, I thought I needed more, skincare products, more treatment products, a higher dosage of ingredients. But the real problem wasn't a lack of products. The real problem was that I didn't understand how black skin aged. Now let's talk about the science, because I always go there. The black skin contains a larger and a more active melanosome. These structures produce melanin, and we all know that melanin protects us. But melanin also responds aggressively to inflammation. Every breakout, every acne, every harsh exfoliation, every damaged skin barrier can leave behind pigmentations on your skin. This is why anti-aging for Black women isn't just about collagen. It's about controlling inflammation. It's about protecting your skin barrier. It's about supporting healthy pigmentation pathways and preserving the skin's function. If you ignore all of this, you can spend thousands of naira on skincare products, expensive skincare products at that, and you still will not get the results that you need. There are 4 pillars of anti-aging for Black women. Let's get into them one after the other. Pillar 1 is protecting your skin barrier. We all know that your skin barrier is your first line of defense. If you don't know any of this, I have a lot of videos where I talked about that. So you can go on and, check the videos. I'll leave a link here or here. You can go and check that. Your skin is your first line of defense, and when it becomes compromised, it can increase inflammation. It can make your pigmentations worse. Your skin can become unnecessarily sensitive. All of this can accelerate the aging process. This is why one of my favorite products in our skincare range, in my routine, is our ceramide and scintilla barrier repair body and face wash. Ceramide helps to reinforce the skin barrier, and scintilla helps to calm inflammation. So the two of them together, they create a healthy foundation that every anti-aging routine needs. I'm going to leave a big picture or a video here for you guys to see the product. Now together they create a very powerful union. Pillar 2, reduce inflammation. Inflammation is one of the biggest drivers of aging in a melanated skin. This is where our probiotic face wash comes in. I know a lot of you are familiar with this particular product. The scintilla and ceramide wash is a relatively new product, but I know you guys are familiar with our probiotic face wash. A lot of people underestimate cleansing, but cleansing is the first treatment step. A healthy microbiome supports a healthier skin. When your skin's ecosystem is balanced, you often see an improvement in sensitivity, dullness, breakout, and your overall skin resilience. Pillar 3 is support cellular communication. This is the level where advanced anti-aging ingredients become important. One of the reasons why I created our Botox Power Essence, or even the Botox range, is because I wanted something that addresses visible signs of aging while supporting overall skin vitality. The goal here is not frozen skin. The goal is a healthier skin communication. A skin that looks smoother, more radiant, more beautiful, more alive. That's what we were targeting. Now, pillar 4 is to lock in repair. This is where our Botox face cream plays a major role. Many people focus mainly on treatment product, but real repair happens when you consistently repair and support your skin. Things like hydration, barrier support, moisture retention, elasticity support. All of these are very important if you are serious about aging well. This is what a lot of women are doing wrong. They tend to treat the symptoms of the problem and not the system. They are busy chasing the newest ingredient, the newest trend, the newest viral products that all of your celebrities are influencing, instead of building a skincare strategy. A good skin isn't created by just one product. I'm sure you know that. You have to have a routine. You have to have a system. And once you have a system, your system will win all the time because you're addressing issues from the roots and not just attending to the symptoms, which is a reaction to the problem that you're having. Let me tell you something, right? Most women are not complaining or crying about their skin simply because of pigmentation. They are crying because of what pigmentation represents. And what does it represent? Loss of confidence, loss of identity, loss of feeling attractive, loss of feeling seen. I've spoken to women who stopped taking pictures, they stopped hanging out, stopped going out, stopped wearing makeup. They were just done. They literally have given up. And this is not because of some wrinkles by the sides of their eyes and all. It is basically because they stopped recognizing themselves when they look into the mirror. And that is why skincare is never just skincare. I know a lot of you don't understand when I say this, but skincare is not just skincare. You can't use a product one time and expect miracles. It's a continuous process. It's a routine. That is the reason why it is called a routine. A routine is something that you do over and over and over again. And skincare is supposed to be a routine, not a miracle one-time product result. Now, for those of you who want to build your own brands, you're watching this video and you're telling yourself, I don't want my customers to have this kind of feeling. I don't just want a better skin. I want the future. Let me tell you something, right? Many years ago, 8 years ago, 9 years ago, I started with a dream. I didn't have a roadmap. I didn't have any investors, right? I didn't have any shortcuts. All I had was determination. And today, through our personal mentorship programs, I help aspiring beautypreneurs, skincare product formulators, skincare businesses. I can help you hold your hands. You don't have to be alone. We have our mentorship program that helps you launch your skincare brand, helps you build a profitable skincare brand, or help you even amend the already existing skincare brand that you have that you would want to take to the next level. So if you're serious about formulation, not just mixing different products, but you want to truly understand cosmetic science, we also have our skincare formulators ebook for serious formulators. It contains over 40 formulas that have been tested and certified effective with all the procedures on how to make the products. This costs 150,000 naira only, and you will be able to start a profitable skincare brand using this ebook. But if you want to learn more and you want to understand what product development is, how you can use the psychology of your customers to create products that they actually need, then I will encourage you to join our skincare product development circle, where we will teach you all that you need to know about product development. We teach product development, branding, positioning, formulation strategy, and how to create products that actually solve problems. Let me tell you something. The beauty industry doesn't need more products. What the beauty industry needs are products that actually solve problems. So basically, the beauty industry needs better products, not more products. So if there's something I want you to remember from today's video, that will be that Black women do not need a stronger anti-aging routine. What we need is a smarter anti-aging strategy. One that protects barrier, controls inflammation, supports healthy pigmentation, preserves confidence, and help us age beautifully without trying to become someone else. Because at the end of the day, if you look at it, aging is not the enemy. It's poor skin health that is the enemy. Now, if this video helped you in any way, type glow in the comment section. Let me know where you're watching from, whether you're in the US, in the UK, Canada, anywhere in the world, Nigeria, Europe, anywhere in the world. Let me know in the comment section where you're watching from. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And you just might be saving someone who needs this message. And if you're ready to transform your skin, build your business, learn formulation, become a better formulator, or join our product development cycle or circle, please click the link in the description bar. We have all the information you need there. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.